When you watch a science fiction movie, you see worlds of lava, planets of ice, or storms that defy imagination. We watch, safe in our seats, thinking, that's just fantasy. But the truth, the reality of our universe, is far stranger and infinitely more terrifying than anything Hollywood has ever dreamed up. The cosmos is filled with monsters. They just happen to be planets. Today, we are visiting the most bizarre, the most extreme, and the most frightening planets that actually exist. Our first stop is HD 189733b. From a distance, it's beautiful, a deep azure blue, reminiscent of our own peaceful Earth. You might feel tempted to visit. That would be your last mistake. This planet's stunning blue color isn't from oceans. It's the color of a nightmare. The atmosphere is laced with silicate particles, the key component of glass. And the weather? This planet is home to winds blowing at over 8,700 kilometers per hour. That's 7 times the speed of sound. And on these winds, it rains molten glass, sideways. This isn't a world, it's a colossal, raging blender made of shattered glass.
Next, we journey to a place where light goes to die. Meet TRES-2b, located 750 light-years away. This is, without exaggeration, the darkest planet ever discovered. It is a gas giant larger than Jupiter, but it reflects less than 1% of the light that hits it. To put that in perspective, black acrylic paint reflects 10% of light. This world is literally blacker than coal. It's a pitch-black orb, an enormous void hanging in space, absorbing light for reasons we still don't fully understand. The only light it emits is a faint, sinister, reddish-black glow, like a hot ember, a dark, heated monster lurking in the cosmos.
If a planet of blackness doesn't bend your mind, our next stop will break it. Welcome to Gliese 436b. This planet is a scientific impossibility, a true paradox that shouldn't exist. It's a world covered in ice. That doesn't sound so bad until you learn its temperature. Gliese 436b orbits its star at an incredibly close distance. Its surface temperature is a blistering 439 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt lead. So how can it be covered in ice? The answer is gravity. The planet's gravitational pull is so immense that it compresses the water molecules with unimaginable force. It squeezes them so tightly that they cannot evaporate into steam even when they are burning. This isn't the ice you know.
The answer
This is an exotic,
gravity.
solid form of water called Ice X, a substance that is literally burning ice. But perhaps the most hellish landscape of all is K2141b. This is a planet where the very ground you stand on is also the weather. This world is tidally locked, meaning one side forever faces its star, and the other side is cast in eternal darkness. On the day side, it is so hot, over 3,000 degrees Celsius, that the planet's surface isn't rock. It's a vast, bubbling ocean of molten magma. This heat is so intense, it actually vaporizes the rock, creating a thin, toxic atmosphere. This vapor then travels to the cold, dark side of the planet, where it cools, solidifies, and falls back down as a constant, horrifying rain of rocks. It is a world with magma oceans, a rock vapor sky, and supersonic winds that bring a hailstorm of boulders. The universe is not the calm, serene place we see at night. It is a violent, extreme, and chaotic place. These planets, worlds of glass rain, burning ice, and rock-filled storms, are not science fiction. They are real. And they are just a tiny sample of the wonders and terrors lurking in the great, dark expanse. It makes you wonder, what else is out there?